Hey there, this is AG with another AGIY, hoping to bring you inspiration for your own creation. Today's project is a Bundt Pan Wreath. It was kind of hard for me to say. I wanted to say cake so bad. Anyway, I bought this pan like 4 years ago. It's been in my basement, and I love grabbing things that I could use later on. I never know when I'm going to use them. Anyway, on with the project. You're going to need some garland, you're going to need some bulbs, you're going to need some ribbon, which isn't shown in the hot glue gun. So what you're going to do is you are going to start just gluing these bulbs in anywhere they fit. We're trying to fill the space. I did get a lot of blue for some reason. I don't know. Anyway, you can just, do your pattern however you like. Maybe you want to do it all one color. It is completely up to you because it is your own creation. But as you see there, I'm just hot gluing those, I'm just hot gluing those bulbs in, making sure that they're actually stuck to each other and to the pan. And then I grabbed some smaller bulbs to kind of fill in the holes there. And then we're going to fill in holes again with some more garland. There you go. I think this is really cool. It gives a really vintagey feel. And all of these items were purchased at my local Goodwill. So, I mean, it's a win-win right there. So, I'm just going to fill in these holes. I got a little finger protector because I do want to use some hot glue just to make sure that that is actually getting secure down inside of those bulbs. So that way when we go to hang it up on the wall, the door, what have you, it's not going to fall out. It's actually nice and secure in there. And you're just going to grab as many pieces as you can and fill it. I really like this project. It does feel very vintage to me. It reminds me of those old wreaths you see from like the 60s, the 50s, where they're so sparkly and so shiny and so cute. And I don't know, it just makes me feel like a grandma for some reason, and I just love it. So as you see there, it does look a little messy. Trust the process. We're gonna make sure that all the holes are filled. See there, I'm looking up, just making sure that everything is filled nice and tight. And then I'm gonna grab my scissors, and I felt like Edward Scissorhands. I'm not gonna lie, if you know, you know. Clip, clip, snip, snip. I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to go through and I'm going to chop some of those pieces just to make sure that they're not completely overbearing and hiding all the little bulbs and ornaments there. Then I grabbed my ribbon and I went right through the middle there. That way we have something that we can actually hang it up on a hook, wall hanger, however you want to hang it. And I just tied a little knot there, and I like how it kind of is a shiny ribbon too. It just kind of adds to the aesthetic of it all. And then I made a bow. I love bows. And I just kind of zhuzhed it up a little bit there, made it nice and full. I grabbed my hot glue gun. I'm going to attach that right to one of those bulbs there. Make sure it's nice and secure. There's my finger protector. I love that little thing. It's so handy. So there you have it. There is your Bundt Pan Wreath. Super easy, super fun, super thrifty. If you like that one, make sure you like and follow, and we will see you next time. Bye, guys.